All right, good morning, students. Today we are starting with History Chapter 5, Part 1. The topic of this chapter is Mass Media and History. All right, so our objective for today is students will be able to comprehend the concept of mass media. Comprehend का मतलब क्या है? To understand. So what are we going to understand today? We're going to understand mass media and take notes on the history of newspapers with examples. इंडिया में पिछले जमाने में कैसे कैसे न्यूज़पेपर्स होते थे, क्या क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन देते थे वो, उसके हम एग्जाम्पल्स देखेंगे और उस पर नोट्स लेंगे आज. ओके, दैट्स आवर ऑब्जेक्टिव फॉर टुडे. सो व्हाट आर द 4 टॉपिक्स वी आर लर्निंग टुडे? फर्स्ट इज व्हाट इज मास मीडिया. एग्जैक्टली होता क्या है ये मास मीडिया? दैट्स व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न. सेकंड इज प्रीकर्सर्स टू न्यूज़पेपर्स. वी नो द मीनिंग ऑफ प्री मीन्स बिफोर. तो बिफोर न्यूज़पेपर्स क्या क्या होता था, वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट दैट. वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अ लिटिल अबाउट दैट. देन वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द हिस्ट्री ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर्स इन इंडिया. इंडिया में न्यूज़पेपर्स कहाँ से शुरू हुए, कौन कौन से न्यूज़पेपर्स थे, क्या क्या बात करते थे, वो वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट दैट. एंड फाइनली important examples of newspapers in India. India में what are the few newspapers that brought about a change in the Indian landscape or brought about a change in India's economic, political, social, cultural life. All right, we are going to learn about that. So moving on to the first topic, what is mass media? But before we move on, students remember to take notes and pay attention to the explanation. In case you do not understand, remember these are the 4 topics that you have to understand today. अगर तुम्हें नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, then you have to go back and watch the video or watch that part of the video with that topic again. All right. So moving on, what is mass media? Now mass over here, mass के बहुत अलग अलग मीनिंग्स हो सकते हैं. हिस्ट्री में अलग होता है, साइंस में अलग होता है. तो हिस्ट्री में here we are using mass as a large number of people. And media means various means of communication. हम जब media बोलते हैं, we think about social media, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. All right, we see media, we see TV news anchors telling us news every day. That's also a part of media. TV is media, radio is media. All right. So mass means a large number of people, and media means means of communication. All right. So what is mass media in total? Is the means of communication that reaches large number of people in a short time. Very simple explanation. Nothing to think of over here. Just बहुत सारे मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन जो बहुत सारे लोगों तक पहुंचता है, दैट एग्जैक्टली इज मास मीडिया. ऑलराइट, मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक विच इज प्रीकर्सर्स टू न्यूज़पेपर्स. ऑलराइट, सो न्यूज़पेपर्स के बनने से पहले क्या क्या होते थे दुनिया में? वी आर गोइंग टू लुक एट अ फ्यू एग्जांपल्स. सो बिफोर द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द कॉमन एरा देयर वाज अ कस्टम इन इजिप्ट ऑफ प्लेसिंग इंस्क्रिप्शन विद अ रॉयल डिक्री एट अ पब्लिक प्लेस. किंग अशोका ऑल्सो फॉलोड अ सिमिलर मेथड. तो क्या होता था कॉमन एरा, यानी वो 0 ईयर जो हमने टाइमलाइन हिस्ट्री में पढ़ा था. ऑलराइट, बिफोर दैट बिगिनिंग ऑफ द 0 ईयर देयर वाज अ कस्टम इन इजिप्ट. इजिप्ट में एक रिवाज होता था जहां पे जो भी राजा महाराजा होते थे, उनको अगर कोई न्यूज देना था अपने बारे में या देश के बारे में, व्हाट वुड दे डू? दे वुड पुट इट ऑन अ स्टोन टैबलेट. वो स्टोन टैबलेट पे ऐसे पिक्चर्स और लिखते थे, एंड दे वुड पुट इट इन अ पब्लिक प्लेस, ताकि पब्लिक प्लेस में सब लोग आके उस चीज को देख सके, उसको समझ सके. ऑलराइट, सो दैट इज हाउ न्यूज वाज डिलीवर्ड इन द अर्लियर टाइम इन इजिप्ट. ऑलराइट, एंड किंग अशोका आल्सो यूज्ड टू फॉलो अ सिमिलर मेथड इन इंडिया. नाउ in the Roman Empire, royal decrees with information about the nation and capital were written on papers, and those were distributed in all regions. All right, तो रोमन एम्पायर में या रोम में what would happen, राजा महाराजों के बारे में जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन था, भले देश के बारे में हो या कैपिटल के बारे में हो, उधर क्या चल रहा है, all right, they were written on papers and those were distributed in all regions. All right, and during Julius Caesar's reign, newspapers known as Acta Diurna, meaning acts of every day, used to be placed at public places in Rome. Acta diurna is a Latin phrase. All right, acta means acts, diurna means day. All right, so acts of every day. Julius Caesar was also a Roman emperor, a Roman king. What did he do? He used to print these newspapers, these papers that we just spoke about, that would be distributed in all regions, for all the actions that were happening in his court or in the capital of Rome every single day. All right, and in England, handouts used to be distributed occasionally, giving tablets about giving information about wars or important events. England में बहुत England was one of the first few countries that had a proper printed newspaper, and they used to mostly talk about the wars that were happening at that time. All right, so these were some precursors to newspapers, यानी newspapers के पहले वाले कुछ जो alternatives या जो options थे news pass on करने के लिए. These were some of those few options. You can see here in the picture, this is the picture of the Acta Diurna. All right, it used to be a stone tablet where information was written, and people in public would then look at the stone tablet and read it. All right, this is one of the early English handouts. All right, talking about the different battles that were taking place during that time. Okay, so this was the end of a second topic. Moving on, now we have reached the most important topic of our objective, that is the history of newspapers in India. Now, India as a whole did not start newspapers on its own. All right, newspapers, printing technology, this was brought into India by the Britishers. All right, India did not start its own printing and its own newspapers. This was brought in by the Britishers. So the first English newspaper of India was printed on 29 January 1780. It was named as the Calcutta General Advertiser, advertifier over here in the picture, or Bengal Gazette, and it was started by James Augustus Hickey, who was an Irishman. So you can already see here कि इंडिया में जो न्यूज़पेपर शुरू हुए थे वो किसी फॉरेनर ने शुरू किया, and who was that foreigner? James Augustus Hickey, who was an Irish person. All right, and he started the Bengal Gazette. Now, Prabhakar was a newspaper started by Bhau Mahajan. The history of French Revolution, Shatpatre, the letters by Lokhitwadi, Gopal Hari Deshmukh, aimed at creating social awareness, were published in this newspaper. एक दूसरा न्यूज़पेपर का एग्जाम्पल है प्रभाकर, ऑलराइट, which was started by Bhau Mahajan. Now, in this newspaper क्या क्या प्रिंट होता था? The history of the French Revolution. उस समय पे, this was very old, this is around 1700s or the 1800s. The French Revolution was still going on in the world. So this newspaper was covering the French Revolution. Letters by Lokhitwadi. Lok यानी लोग, हितवड़ी यानी लोगों की भलाई. All right. And who was talking about लोगों की भलाई उस समय पे? गोपाल हरि देशमुख. And what was he doing? He was trying to talk about लोगों की भलाई by creating social awareness. सोसाइटी के बारे में क्या क्या अच्छी चीजें, क्या क्या बुरी बातें हैं, वो उस न्यूज़पेपर में सामने लाता था. All right. The newspaper Prabhakar would bring that to the front. All right. And finally, a newspaper named Indu Prakash supported widow remarriage in a big way. All right. उस समय पे लड़कियों का फिर से शादी करना, अगर उनके पति मर जाते हैं, उनका फिर से शादी करना बहुत मतलब एक सुपरस्टिशन माना जाता, अपशगुन माना जाता था, if you could say it in that way. All right. But this newspaper called Indu Prakash supported widow remarriage कि नहीं, इनको हक है फिर से शादी करने का, ये इनकी जिंदगी है, जो इनको करना है वो ये डिसाइड करेंगे. All right. And that was being supported by this newspaper called Indu Prakash. And Deen Bandhu, very important, a newspaper representing the poor sections of society, यानी जिनको हम आज दलित बोलते हैं, उस समय पे बहुजन समाज कहा जाता था उन्हें. This was started by Krishna Rao Bhalekar. All right. This was a newspaper specifically for the people who we call Dalits today, people who were called Bahujan Samaj back then. This newspaper started by Krishna Rao Bhalekar. ये newspaper क्या करता था? जो इन लोअर क्लास या दलित लोगों की या जो बहुजन समाज के लोगों के जो हक है, इनके लिए लड़ता था. ऑलराइट. सो दिस वाज सम ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ द हिस्ट्री ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर्स इन इंडिया, कि इंडिया में न्यूज़पेपर्स किस किस के लिए यूज होता था, क्या क्या इंफॉर्मेशन होता था इनमें, और इंडिया में न्यूज़पेपर्स की शुरुआत कहाँ से हुई थी. ऑलराइट. Moving on, now we are going to look at a few important examples. These examples might also come into your exam and can be asked as questions, so definitely pay attention. But before that, you can look at here. You can look over here in the pictures. We've got a picture of the Bengal Gazette here, dated March 10, 1781. All right. You can see here it tells you from where to where the news is given, from Saturday, March 3rd to Sunday, March 19. All right. There were a lot of importance of these newspapers, simply because this was the only means of communication back then in India, and this was the only means of mass media जो सारे लोगों को मिल सकता था. All right, back then. So let's move on to the examples of newspapers. Now, the first example we are going to look at is Darpan. All right, what was Darpan? The newspaper Darpan was started in 1832 in Mumbai, and who was the editor of Darpan? Bal Shastri Jambekar was the editor of Darpan. So Bal Shastri Jambekar was the person who started this newspaper called Darpan, or the Bombay Darpan, and it was started in 1832. The news printed in Darpan contained political, economic and social cultural information of that time. सारे newspapers क्या करते हैं? इन चारों aspects पे political, economic, social and cultural information देते हैं. Alright? A few title examples are danger of Russian attack on the nation. You can call this political information. Expenditure of the 3 administrative divisions of the East India Company. You can call this economic information. सोशल रीमैरिज ऑफ हिंदू विडोज, यहाँ पे भी देखो हिंदू विडोज के बारे में या हिंदू रीमैरिज के बारे में लिखा जा रहा है, ऑलराइट. एंड कल्चरल इंफॉर्मेशन, इंसेप्शन ऑफ थिएटर इन कैलकाटा, उस समय पे थिएटर मूवीज वर growing in Calcutta, growing in towards the West Bengal region of India. All right. So this newspaper was bringing light to all of these happenings. Moving on to the next example, we have Gyanodaya. All right. So Gyanodaya printed the map of Asia in 1842 and the map of Europe in 1851. It was the first Indian newspaper to print an illustration or a picture. Now, what was a special feature of Gyanodaya? Ki they were the first newspaper in India to ever print a picture or to print an illustration. Okay, and what were the pictures that they printed? The map of Asia and the map of Europe. The news of installation of telegraph in India was seen in Gyanodaya. Telegraph was a machine जो newspapers के बाद आया था, जिससे news electronically भेज सकते हैं एक जगह से दूसरे जगह पे. यहाँ पे you can see in the picture, you have to basically press a button, and after clicking that button, a paper prints out the notes or prints out the information, and that information can be sent to anyone via a line of wires. Okay, so the first news की telegraph पहली बार इंडिया में आया, that was printed in the Gyanodaya. The news of starting of railways in India was printed in the Gyanodaya under the title Chakya Mahasobha, meaning buffalo with wheels. Mahasobha is basically a Marathi god, where the Marathi god is actually a buffalo. So the starting of Indian railways in India was described by this newspaper as Chakya Mahasobha, yani a buffalo with wheels, yani a sacred transportation vehicle with wheels. All right, and it had also printed the news of Indian War of Independence of 1857. ये newspaper इतना पुराना था कि the first struggle of independence, that is the 1857 struggle of independence, was also printed in this newspaper. You can see a few blurry pictures of this. Unfortunately, there's not too many pictures of this newspaper, but important nonetheless. All right. Moving on, we have two of these final newspapers which were super important to the freedom struggle of India, especially. Alright, so they were Kesari and Maratha. Kesari was a Marathi newspaper and Maratha was an English newspaper. I know it sounds a little weird when you think about the titles, but these two newspapers played a very, very important role in creating awareness in the people about fighting for their freedom. Alright, so Gopal Ganesh Agarkar and Bal Gangadhar Tilak started these papers in 1881. Alright, they spoke about the social and political issues of that period. तो ये न्यूज़पेपर्स क्या करते हैं? सोशल इश्यूज और पॉलिटिकल इश्यूज. अभी सोशल इश्यूज क्या हो रहे थे? ब्रिटिशर्स का हमारे ऊपर रूल था एंड दे वर एक्सप्लॉइटिंग द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया. सो दोज वर द सोशल इश्यूज ऑफ आवर टाइम. फैमिन, खाने की कमी, सूखा पड़ जाना, क्या कहते हैं, ड्रॉट आ जाना. ऑलराइट, दीज वर द सोशल इश्यूज ऑफ आवर टाइम एंड नो ब्रिटिश न्यूज़पेपर वाज कवरिंग दिस न्यूज. ओनली द केसरी एंड मराठा वर मोस्टली कवरिंग दिस न्यूज इन इंडिया. ऑलराइट, the Kesari began to publish articles about nationwide situations, books in the native language and the politics in England. पहली बार इंडिया में एक ऐसा न्यूज़पेपर था जो इंग्लैंड और ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर भी न्यूज छाप रहा था. ऑलराइट, एंड दैट वाज अ वेरी बिग अचीवमेंट बिकॉज इन इंडियन न्यूज़पेपर्स व्हाट पीपल यूज्ड टू डू वाज अपने अपने इन्फॉर्मेशन, अपने लाइफ के बारे में इन्फॉर्मेशन देते थे. बट दिस वाज वन ऑफ दोस फ्यू न्यूज़पेपर्स दैट स्पोक अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिश रूल और द ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट. एंड सिर्फ ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट इंडिया में नहीं, लेकिन इंग्लैंड में भी जो भी ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट कर रहा था, जिसका असर इंडिया पे पड़ रहा था, दैट वाज आल्सो कवर्ड इन दीज टू न्यूज़पेपर्स. ऑलराइट, एंड both these newspapers played an important role in criticizing the British government and bringing the Indian people together. As I said before, ये newspapers were the first newspapers जो openly ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट को क्रिटिसाइज करते थे. जो गोपाल गणेश आगरकर है, बाल गंगाधर तिलक है, they were constantly jailed, put into jail simply because they were speaking against the British government and trying to get the people together to fight against the British. All right, so these two newspapers had played a very important role in that period, and that's why they are considered as very, very important. All right, with that, students, we have reached the end of our lecture. These are the two questions I wanted to answer and submit on Google Classrooms today. The first question is on page 37. Question 1b, correct the incorrect pairs. All right, you have to correct the incorrect pairs. You have to first identify which is the incorrect pair in the pairs given and then correct the statement. All right, and the second one is write a short note on the role of the newspaper in the Indian struggle of independence. अभी तक जितने भी मैंने नोट्स दिए, जितना भी मैंने एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया, उसका तुम एक छोटा सा आंसर, एक शॉर्ट नोट बना के लिख दो एंड सबमिट इट ऑन गूगल क्लासरूम. So thank you so much for learning, all of you. I had a lot of fun with this lecture and I hope you do too. In case you do not understand or if you have any doubts, reach out to me on WhatsApp via voice note, alright? And I will answer your doubts over there. Thank you so much for learning and have a nice day, all of